Welcome to my Sokoban game. When you open the game, you're greeted with calming menu music that I created myself, and an animated floating game title that I use JavaFX transitions to create. The general design of this game is inspired by the original Sokoban game, which is why I decided to use retro text and the color purple. On the menu screen you have 6 options: New Game, Load Level Set, Music, Theme, and Exit. Pressing the music toggles the music on and off. We'll keep it on for now. Pressing the theme changes the theme of the game. We have Classic, Garden, Winter, Desert, and the debug theme, which is what the game looked like before development. We'll look at load game and level set later, but for now, let's start a new game. When you press the new game button, you're prompted to enter your name. This text box won't allow you to continue unless it's at least 1 character or no bigger than 5 characters. When we drop into the game, you can see it has the winter theme that we selected. On the top bar, you can see the level number, the level name, the time we spent on the level, and the number of moves. We can move our character using the arrow keys, but I've also extended it so you can also use WASD. If you press any other key, the keeper will make funny sounds and also prompt you to use the arrow keys.
Use arrow keys. Hey, over here, hey.
As you can see, as our keeper moves, his sprite is animated. At the top bar, we can toggle the music and turn it off. I also added sound effects when you move the crate. You also have the ability to click undo, which reverses a move you just made. It also reduces the move by 1. As you can see, when we complete the level, a chime plays. The game grid is hidden and the high score screen pops up. The high score screen shows the top 10 players based on time. It also shows the time that the user took to complete the level and also the number of moves it took for the user to complete the level. If the user's score is good enough, it's added to the high score screen. The user has the option to either click retry to redo the level again or click next to go to the next level. Let's redo the level real quick and get a better score. We got a high score, and unfortunately the person who's at the bottom of the leaderboard has been knocked off. I also added a chime whenever you create a diamond. You also have the ability to save at any point during the game. You're then able to load this save. By loading, it restores the move count, time, and also all the positions of all the game objects. Let's skip to the last level. When you complete the game, it plays a tune, and also displays how long it took you to complete the game, and in how many moves you were able to complete the game. Load game allows you to load your game from the game menu, and load level set allows you to play a new level set. I made separate file types for levels and saves so they can be differentiated. In terms of refactoring, I followed Bob's coding conventions for the code I modified and reduced the responsibility for startmeout.java, which I renamed to Game Engine, and created new classes for the removed responsibilities. I created a level manager responsible for the level, music player responsible for the media player, and the game controller responsible for the user input. I refactored the code such that it follows the MVC design pattern. I also reduced main so it only creates the models, views, and controllers. The thing I'm most proud of is the music and the design of the UI. I'm also really proud of the animations, as these took a while to get right.